This is the third and final part of the G major scale series, and here I'm going to show you some ideas for playing over the chords of G, C and D using the notes of the G major scale. So if you don't know what the G major scale is, look at parts 1 and 2. So I'm just going to improvise some ideas, starting off always with the root note of each chord. You don't have to start on the root. You can start on any note, theoretically, but some notes sound better than others. Starting on a note that's in the chord is always a good starting point. So in G, you've got 3 notes that make up the chord. You've got a G, B, and an A. So let's start on B, the second one. Do the same thing with C, where the second note is an E. And then D, where the third is actually an F sharp. Now let's go to the 5th note, which for G would be a D. For C, it would actually be G. And for D, it's B. There you go. A few ideas. I'm just going to improvise something else for you now. Have fun, and I'll see you next time.